This video will demo a problem under the title Solve by Trinomial Factor a is greater than 1. We've been asked to solve the following quadratic equation: 4x squared plus 2x equals 10x minus 3. In order to do this, we need to make this side say equals 0. So we're going to move the 10x over to the other side by subtraction and the negative 3 over to the other side by addition. When I do that, I get 4x squared minus 10x from both sides, put that now to negative 8x. Adding 3 to both sides, put this at positive 3. So now I've got my quadratic equation in standard form. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the box method. And I'll do that over here. I draw a 2 by 2 box, putting my ax squared term in the upper left-hand box, and putting my c value in the lower right-hand box. I'll then multiply those together and get 12x squared. I'm searching for two terms that multiply together to make 12x squared, but add to make negative 8x. That would be negative 6x and negative 2x, because they multiply together to make 12x squared, and they add together to make negative 8x. I'll put one of them in the lower left-hand box and the other in the upper right-hand box, and I'll do the GCF left and right, the GCF left and right, and there's a minus sign there, so that's why I put a minus 3. GCF up and down, GCF up and down. And again, because this first term was negative, I put a negative. So this trinomial factors into 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 3. So I factored this trinomial into here. The next thing I'm going to do is apply the zero product property and set each of those quantities equal to 0 separately. I'll add 1 to both sides on the left and divide by 2. There's one of my solutions, 1/2. I'll add 3 to both sides and divide by 2. And there's my second solution, 3/2. So I'll come over to my computer now. I'll put in 1/2 by doing 1 divided by 2. I'll then hit the comma to get a second answer, and then I'll do 3 divided by 2. And I'll hit enter. I'll try it again there. There we go. And those are my two solutions, and I am correct. And you can see their work similar to ours, standard form, factor, set each piece of the factoring equal to 0, and solve.